Hey guys, today you're checking out stock number 301717, and this is a 2022 Hyundai Elantra, and our color is white. Let's take a look inside at some of our interior features that we've got on the unit. All right, so we have power windows, locks, mirrors. Got our interior lighting control, lane keep assist, traction control. Steering wheel features hands-free, stereo remote controls, cruise control settings. We are satellite radio ready. Got our electronic and dual climate control with heated front seats, USB ports, automatic transmission, drive mode, and parking camera. We've also got our sunroof controls, and our interior color is black. And moving on to our rear passenger features, we've got power windows, a full bench seat, and onto our exterior 17-inch Hyundai rims. Got the rear view camera, remote trunk, all of our cargo space, and easy peasy. There you are, folks. Stock number 301717. You've just checked out this 2022 Hyundai Elantra, and our color is white. Thanks for watching.